Ladies, let's call each other to order because what I am seeing is pure bullying from women with pink profiles. I don't know why we think it is okay to swear at someone ungamazi nomazi. Inhlambe engaka, guys. Opening a platform for others to cyberbully someone else because you don't like them or you don't like what they stand for nje. Shaming someone because bebeke bathwaxa bubomi and you make fun of that. It is not ladylike at all. It is rude and it says a lot about you. Let's get into this mess. Hi fam, welcome to Pop Culture Daily News Ninjani. So there's this lady on Facebook. I'm going to blare out her name because she doesn't deserve free promotion from me. Sorry. She posts this, unprovoked. Growing up, I used to think Lobudi li celebrity kanti sistenganyana somfana who just happens to be unyana karingo. As a lady, to just go and attack someone and call them istengana, a domkop, is wrong. And this is the person saying this. Look at her and look at Upil. Awanda ngubani udengana. Awanda ngubani udengana. Just gonna put this picture and I'll leave it at that with that question mark. People on the comments kept asking what Pila has done to her for her to be so vile and use this abusive language. No answer, Kesan. This one is also saying, Istenges nomlomo nukayo. Sanuzishipa is important. This is a woman with a purple profile saying Upila is a fool with smelly mouth. There's a lot, guys, of interrogation and toxicity happening back on Facebook. I don't know if it's because people heard that Facebook pays and will do anything for views and followers. I don't know, but it's really become a toxic place. Ladies, if we want change, it has to start with us and we have to call each other out. Unnecessary. We can be on this internet with positivity. Someone as big as Umandi Sinchingana, Abona that one. As much as I support the work that he does, get donations, he is toxic as f***. This is what he had to say. Zange sonwabe ngomnyonyaka ye-Kingdom eGqeberha esicela 2 randi entyi. Anaxesha la. And because ezolandelwa, this one said, yewethu nam e-Kingdom efuna ukhazini wam elo xesha engazincuvi ientyi zam phofu emane ecela udeshelwa kwitafile yabanye abafana. Uphila, like most people, have been down and out. Such is life. To shame him about izinto zenzeka kunyaka lo singakumazi nomazi, it says a lot about you. And it's women, guys. And I'm going to include Mandisi as part of the women because uyinkazana qedela mfana uzophinda disappearishe ke athi une-mental issues because kuzoba buhlungu when he has to take what he gives. Stop it. That's all I wanted to say, guys, regarding this situation. Ezinye izinto akunyanzelekanga to jump on the train for views and likes. This is a gossip and a commentary channel. This is commentary. I will see you on the next video. Xa sithethe ezinye izinto eziserious. I hope sidlulisile usana kunina. Ciao, guys.